Okay, welcome inside. My name is Elin. I live in this house in Älmhult together with my 3 children. And recently we just started to test this water meter from Ikea. First time I used this product, I realized that I used 75 liters of water during my 5-minute shower. So immediately I realized that this was something that I really wanted to change. So first of all, I had an old shower at home with a very high flow rate, using 15 liters of water every minute. So I changed that one to a new shower, which only has a flow rate of 8 liters per minute. So of course, by doing that, I reduced the amount of water with almost 50%. My oldest daughter, first of all, she felt super proud of having this product at home because she realized that this was an important product that really could make a positive change. I actually also asked my daughter before we started to use it if she knew what these small symbols meant, and she were completely right. I start with taking the shower hose away, and then instead I add this water meter. And once I have it in place, I add the shower hose again. And now it's actually ready for use.